The induced draft motor is not turning, just humming. I'm pulling about 3 amps, which is overload. Has a rating on the side there of, I don't know if you can see that, 1.35 amps. So that's overdone, so we're going to shut this off. As you can see from the video, the draft induced motor is pretty much and that's why it's humming, and we're getting the high amp rating. Under a couple other motor failures could be that the blades, and I have seen this on a couple occasions, where the fan blades themselves have rusted out due to the moisture in the flue gases, and have completely fallen off or rusted out and just completely fallen off the fan motor, so it's not even producing a suction or a pull through the heat exchanger anymore. Other items may include it may not even run at all. It may not even hum or pull any amps. It just may be completely burned out or open wire in the windings, and so you won't get any amp readings on the motor, or you won't even hear it humming. But you can tell that from the pressure switch or pressure limit switch indication on the circuit board that the draft motor is not working. So there's several things there. If you run across any of your own, leave a comment down at the bottom. Thanks for watching.